Hey guys, good morning. Today's class is about connector speech. Aim of the lesson: learn about connector speech. Objectives: by the end of the lesson, learners will be able to have a lot of knowledge about it. Do you guys know something about connector speech? Another question: have you guys heard about Alicia when we talk about connector speech? Okay, let me give you some quickly review about connector speech. Connector speech. When we talk about connector speech, we are talking about spoken language, and it is used in a continuous sequence in a normal conversation. There is a difference between the way we pronounce words in isolation and in a context of a connector speech. Fluent speech flows with the rhythm, or a rhythm and the words bump into each other. In order to make speech flow smoothly, the way we pronounce the end and the beginning of some words can change depending on sounds at the beginning and also at the end of the words. These changes are described as features of connector speech. In this unit, we will study the aspects of connector speech, such as rhythm, elision, linking, and assimilation. But today's class is about elision. Let me give you a review about elision. Elision is common in a casual conversation. More specifically, elision may refer to the omission of an unstressed vowel, consonant, or syllable. This omission is often indicated in print by an apostrophe. Elision of sounds can be seen clearly in contracting forms like isn't, I'll, who's, they, haven't, and so on. We see from this example that the vowels and consonants can be elided. In the case of contractions of words like library, the whole syllable is elided. It is easy to find examples of elision, but it's very difficult to state rules that govern which sounds may elide and which may not. Elision of vowels in English usually happens when a short and stressed vowel occurs between voiceless and consonants. In the first syllable of perhaps potato, the second syllable of a bicycle, or third syllable of philosophy, in everyday speech, when a sound comes between two consonants sounds, we often don't pronounce it. When a sound disappears in between the words, it's called elision. Okay, let me give you some examples. I can't stand the rain. It must be the time to live. I am the first person here, and I don't want. Those examples about elision. Let me give you some rules of elision. Some of the most common elision cases in English are, when they appear within a consonant cluster, we arrive we arrive the next day. When we reach Paris, we stopped for lunch. The sound elide between and the sound in between, and we bought a lovely curved statue. George Sextron can disappear in unstressed syllables. I think we should call the police. Can disappear in the first syllable of police. That is an interesting idea. It's not pronounced by many speakers, but also reduce the number of syllables in the words. So remember, guys, we have to follow the rules for elision in the sounds of and also in the sound of d. Okay, let me give you some examples. There is a list of elision examples, word combinations without elision, with elision. We have asked, lecture, desktop, hard disk, keep quiet, keep calling, keep talking, at least twice. Well, we have some more down there. Without elision, asked, lect, desk. With elision, ask, lek, desk, had, kept, and there is more over there. Also, guys, remember that with elision, we have to know or we have to use the sound that and also the z, okay, T or the D, but z or D. Here we have an activity for you guys to complete. I will send you this PowerPoint presentation so you can guys go over and review, but remember the activity. Complete the chart with the Alicia cases. In the first column you will write the word of combination, and in the second you have to write the phonetic transcription, and I also have the link that you can use for the phonetic transcription. Okay guys, if you guys have any questions, you know my email. Send me a text, you have my WhatsApp number. Let me know and I will help you. And remember guys, I'm going to send you this PowerPoint presentation. Okay? Thank you very much and you'll have a good day. Bye.